Lona ngifisa okuhle Ntulo neminyaka ngu-35 wakwaNongoma inyakatho nesifundazwe KwaZulu Natal. Ulahlwe amacala ayisithupha okubulala okukhona kuwo nelokubulala ikhansela le-ANC kwaNongoma uThami Nyembe ngo-2016. Lamacala wawenza kusukela ngo-2015 kuya ku-2017. Waqala wabulala uNyembe. Kuthiwa walandelisa ngabantu abane ababezoba ngofakazi bombuso. Kulabo fakazi abane kukhona izelamani ezintathu azibulala. Kuthiwa kuleli cala lesithupha alihlobene nezombusazwe. uNtuli ulahlwe amacala okukhona kuwo nawukuzama ukubulala, ukuba nesibhamu kanye nezinhlavu ekungekho emthethweni. Waboshwa ngo-2018. Bekulindeleke ukuthi agwetshwe namuhla enkantolo yesifunda esikhaleni. Kodwa kuhlehlisiwe ukwethulwa kwesigwebo sakhe ngemuva kokuthi uNtuli ecele ukuthi kulethwe ubufakazi bosonhlala kahle. Umbuso uthi leli cala belinzima kakhulu kubo njengoba kwabulawa nofakazi.
If you've been following the case, some of the people who were killed in this matter were potential witnesses. The Zulu brothers, all of them, were willing to come forward to the police to give the information about the killing of Mr. Nyembe, who was a ward councillor. There was the fourth deceased, I think, Mr. Zungu. He too was a potential witness in the case. The police were actually looking for him based on the information that they have received that he's got. When this guy, the accused, realized that these people were about to make statements, he decided to kill them.
Amaphoyisa athi uNtuli uyathinteka nakwamanye amacala ayishumi-nane esifundazweni KwaZulu Natal kanye naseGauteng. Okukhona kuwo nelokubulawa kukaNozinti webafana uSenzo Meyiwa. Amaphoyisa athi sekuyahle ukubulawa kosombusazwe ngemuva kokuthi kusungulwe Ithimba eliphenya ngalamacala.
Since the establishment of this team, they didn't only secure the arrests of over 280 suspects in connection with those killings around 2018 and before, but also post. But what is very important is the work done by the KwaZulu Natal Political Task Team has also helped significantly reduce the number of attacks and killings as far as political violence is concerned in the province.
uNtuli uzogwetshwa ziyisishiyagalolunye kuzibandlela Londi Khadebe, SABC News esikhaleni.